weird. He is too far away to be in the video. Oh, what's that sound? Whoa, a burnout, whoa! Where's he coming from? Ah! Oh no! Well, we were on our way to Ohio until we saw the air show. So, oh, boy, is that loud.
Right there.
Over here? Oh. Anyway, we were on our way to Ohio until we saw this. Oh, here comes some more action. Ah! Let's zoom your video in.
Southampton.
Oh, okay.
Over in Ibsen.
Yeah.
And I walked from that spot to here just to see these guys.
Yeah, that's right.
I put my.
Is that the Blue Angels?
There's the Blue Angels and the Thunderbirds are here.
Thunderbirds. Oh, yeah. No wonder. I thought it was a
It's
little
them,
different.
Thunderbirds, and some bombers, some P-52s.
Yeah.
Warhogs.
Oh, wow. Nice.
So I put something in my mind. I was trying something. I'm doing it, damn it. I come here to see them.
That's right.
Well, he's happy.
And I'm having all of this on video.
Awesome. I guess he's happy air show's here. A lot of people go to that parking lot to watch them over at the old Kmart parking lot.
And yes, I will premiere this video.
Yes, please. Please premiere this video. When will you premiere it? This will be a Sunday night special, probably. Oh, there you are. They're there. Okay.
Ah, he's hiding for the building, huh?
Ah, there they go. Oh, man. Boy, they get down low, don't they?
think they're gonna hit the wires.
Oh, whoa! What?
What? Wow. What we did here? We're in a good show.
And I am also having this all on video.
Yeah. Boy, he got close to these wires. Did you see that?
Oh no!
Oh no. That was just the birds.
No!
Oh.
No, it's not. Come on! Over here, what? Over here!
Here they go. They're going up. Look at that.
They're so close. It's unbelievable.
Oh!
Now they're coming down.
Oh no, they're heading towards us! Run!
Look at that. They're going straight down, Caleb. They're gonna crash.
Oh, they're gonna crash! Oh no!
Wow. Oh look.
Oh!
Man, talk about close.
Really put together a show here, don't
When the last time you got this on video is that we were at Hall Road.
we were, yeah.
Is that a Blue Angel?
I have no idea.
I think so.
No, I do not want that. You ate your hash brown already?
No, it's in there.
Should I eat it?
If you want it.
Should I eat yours? Yes.
We'll talk about that. I don't think so.
Well, that's it. Well, that's it for now, I guess.